You will never know how strong you are until being strong is the only option left. What does this one mean? This one means that you can never know, or you can never make a bold decision, a risky decision, until you're caught up in a situation of do or die. The bottom line is do or die. This is a quote from Bob Marley, as far as I can know. I think Bob Marley was meaning that as long as you still have other options, you will not be strong. But if the only option left is to take a risk or make a difficult decision, that is how you will know that you're strong or not.